Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be telling you about a very important feature in PowerPoint. That is the transition. Transition is used when you are changing from one slide to the another. Suppose I'm on this slide number 6, and when I'm changing to the next slide, suppose this slide, then whatever the effects that you're going to apply, that is called the transition. And for the transition effects, we have this pre-built feature here in the top, so that you can use. Suppose I will be showing you some of those, and those are really attractive, and if you use it in your PPT, your PowerPoint presentation is going to be very attractive for the viewers. So here, if I start with this, look how it is changing. Then uncover, cover, plus fall over, then drape, curtains, then wind, then prestige. Similarly, you can go to this one on this next button and you can find more option from here, and and those are really attractive and also looks kind of different. And also some of those will have this effect option, meaning that from which side, left side, right side you want. So it varies, features to features. So like in this feature, so you have you know which side you want this effect to be enabled. Similarly, you can go to the other pages, other features like this. So this video is for those who don't know this transition effects in PowerPoint. I believe it's going to be very interesting and attractive to the viewers if you use it. So thank you for watching this video.